Guys, in today's video we discuss about the latest news coming from China. Tesla has started delivering Model Y made in China in China. And here are my 5 takeaways from this news. Increased manufacturing, decreased wait times. There's a huge demand for electric vehicles in China. Mckinsey estimates that the number of electric vehicles in China are going to double by 2025. Having a manufacturing unit in China gives Tesla the capacity to deliver more vehicles per year and hence reduce wait times. This is also going to help Tesla capture more of the market share, especially in the wake of the new competition coming from the local players. Cost. One of the major advantages of having manufacturing in China is decreased cost. This is a reason why companies like Apple, Amazon, and Microsoft have outsourced their manufacturing to China. Well, Tesla has gone a step ahead and it has its own manufacturing in China. This is not only going to help Tesla deliver more cars in China, but it's also going to bring the cost down. Well, number 3, margins. Manufacturing at a lower cost comes with higher margins and hence more liquid cash to invest in various business developments and building up more units like this. It's also going to show up on earnings report where I'm sure the profitability will go up. Number 4, a foot in Asia. There's a huge demand for electric vehicles in Asia owing to the fact that the prices of conventional fuel is higher in Asia. People cannot wait to switch to electric vehicles. Having a manufacturing unit in China gives Tesla the advantage to be able to manufacture and deliver locally, not only to China, but also to other parts of Asia. There is news also that Tesla would be opening up a manufacturing unit in India, and hence a factory in China is going to be a great testing ground for this. Stress testing, self-driving. Well, the driving conditions in China and the rest of Asia are far less from ideal. And I think being in the roads, learning from the local driving conditions is going to be a huge test for Tesla's self-driving system. But I'm sure with the shared learning that they have, this test is only going to bring the best in their entire system and help it adapt rapidly to the ever dynamic circumstances. You have my best of luck for this. Thank you. With this, I come to the end of discussing this news, but I'm sure you can add a lot as an audience. So please feel free to comment anything I have missed and carry on the discussion. Until next video, thank you and keep believing in the future.